This is the purple list. Number 1 is emptiness. I felt an emptiness in the basement after I cleaned it out to move. Number 2 is disgraceful. It would be a disgraceful move to cheat on a spelling test. Number 3 is scoreless. The football game was still scoreless even at halftime. Number 4 is delightful. We had a delightful Halloween party on Wednesday afternoon. Number 5 is flawless. I painted the wall and it was flawless. There were no mistakes. It was without flaws. Number 6 is painless. I had a flu shot and it was painless. Number 7 is sadness. I felt sadness as summer came to an end. Number 8 is fearlessness. His fearlessness made him a brave swimmer. Number 9 is dreadful. The costumes I saw on Halloween were just dreadful. Number 10 is thoughtlessness. The thoughtlessness of the people who visited our party was clear because they did not clean up after themselves.